if you know this country, this is Israel, and this is also the Germany, I have a 7 magnificent here. In this 100 feet ground in the fault line, this country, you know, every station I know in country. In Alpapay station, I have 27 canyons, 7 granites, and 27 boulevard business of bull tanks of negative 77 part of night shadow, the pixel. When I opened the Malacanang City in St. Jude Hospital, I have a 7 grounds of magnificent 7 treasure of national golds of Colombia, and that is a pearl golden Buddha. I know this city. In this whole world, I have many missiles in this valley. I have 37 missiles under the ground of Camiedo, and it was easy to find because the 400 feet was injured by my knuckled hot down of my shadow that paint the clothes of the ingot of the last coming of the full six. That is the Magna Fanta computer. And I'm fixing my mind because Doña Aquino was fixed that demon. He find my 3 characters of my 2 hearts and shadow and he put in the fire and I recover. And I use drugs of that chabu. So when I use drugs, I remember my morning. A bombo is you up further. If you remember, Master, Señores, ay good morning, good morning po. Pasensya na po. That was the time I know. You better know the day. I'm better for all, And you know this country is a city kind of God. That is Jerusalem. For all of you, if you contact Mrs. Marcos or anybody who is in Marcos family, you told them, hey, father, you respect my mind, boy. It's just an innocent time. You give me a shit of mine. You want to kiss my chicken? Come on, let's fight. How do you go see? Let you respect somebody's talking. If you don't like my dialogue, you go out in the city. I'm a police also. I'm an NBI, I'm an FBI. Even you talk to Mr. Krame, Planet Beach, you're from India, Ponchata ka puti. Do you remember Rango? When I get 100 Nina, you know, fix a tanko, Tika. I know you, Bobby. If you're a pakiap tax, nothing me, no money allowed for me, but I'm innocent. I love you being my God. Better in mama, is good, Kung kinailangan kayo, kung kilala niyo mama ko, kung malapit kayo kay mama, sabihin niyo si Bongbong gising. Ang putang ng Channel 7, Channel 2 ayaw papasukin. Paano takot sila? Putang ng mga niyakin ito, pupuputan ko ng ulo sa harapan yan. Ang laki ng atrasurahin yan. Yung pinaka-itlog ko, tsaka yung pinaka-basahis ko, nilagay niya sa ilalim. Isoma ko, nilagay niya dito. Ang headpiece ko, kita niyo, wala na ako ko. Eh, paano ba si keep my 3 eyes, My nose was put in the heart, man. And my hair put in my pubic hair. It changed easy. I can't fix that, That's the demon of Vietnam, Now he's a president. Tak na yan. That's what I say, a Filipino is smarter.